How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix only one earbud is working on SteelSeries Arctic GameBuds. So the first thing that you want to do if this is happening in your case is to just make sure that both devices are turned on. What you can do is to plug them back onto the case itself, and from there you can pull them back out and make sure that they are connected properly with the lights turned on. If that didn't work, we can simply head over to our Bluetooth connection. Of course, if you're on your mobile devices, it's going to be the same. Just head over to your Bluetooth devices. From here, look for your earphones. Let's say this is my earphones right here. So you just want to right click on it, click on the remove device, and then you want to pair it with a new connection on your current device right here. So from there, click on add device or add Bluetooth device, click on Bluetooth, and you will be able to set up a new pairing mode for your devices. And the last thing that you want to do is to simply factory reset your earbuds and just make sure that they have a charge. If not, most likely the problem is on the hardware side itself. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.